If you're opening Fusion 360 and suddenly see the message "Load library failed with error 126" on your screen, don't worry, this is actually a fairly common Windows-related issue that many Fusion users run into. The good news is that it usually has a simple fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what this error means, why it happens, and several easy ways to fix it. Step by step. This error is not really a Fusion modeling problem. Instead, it comes from Windows itself. When Fusion starts, it tries to load certain system libraries, also called DLL files. If Windows cannot find one of these libraries or something blocks it from loading properly, the program throws the load library failed with error 126 message. The most common reasons include outdated or corrupted graphics drivers, a partially installed Fusion 360 update missing, Windows system components, or sometimes even antivirus software blocking the required file. So let's go through the most effective fixes you can try right now. First, update your graphics driver because this is one of the most frequent causes. Fusion 360 relies heavily on your GPU to render the interface and 3D models. If the graphics driver is outdated or corrupted, Windows may fail to load the required library. To fix this, go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, such as Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Download the latest driver for your specific GPU and install it. After installation, restart your computer and try opening Fusion 360 again. Next, simply restarting your computer can sometimes solve the problem because Windows may temporarily lock certain library files during updates or background processes. A fresh restart clears those locks and allows Fusion to access the required files normally. Another solution is repairing or reinstalling Fusion 360 completely. First, uninstall Fusion from the Windows Apps and Features panel. Then go to the official Autodesk website, download the latest Fusion installer, and install it again. This ensures that any missing or damaged program files are replaced. Finally, make sure your Windows system is fully updated. Open Windows, update, check for updates, and install anything available because some system libraries required by Fusion are included in Windows updates. Because this error actually comes from Windows rather than Fusion itself, it can be difficult to reproduce intentionally, and that is why it often appears suddenly after a driver, change system, update, or incomplete installation. In most cases, updating drivers, reinstalling Fusion, or installing the latest Windows updates resolves the problem quickly. Before we finish, if this tutorial helped you fix the Fusion 360 load library failed with error 126, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Fusion 360 troubleshooting guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.